Do you know that the Nigerian investment market will make you richer than the US market? This year alone, Nigerian market has returned about 30%. That's the stock market. And US market, S&P 500, about 16%. Listen, I'm not trying to do a comparison between the two countries. This one is better or the other one is better. No, I just want you to know the kind of money you can make investing in Nigerian market. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different investments you can make with as little as 100,000 naira. Whether you're a Nigerian living in diaspora or a Nigerian living in the country, this video is for you. People are making good passive income investing in here in Nigeria. You are going to be one of them shortly. And number 3, please watch to the 3rd one, because that is one you can start right away. Just so you can do it in few minutes. I am Financial Jennifer, a chartered accountant, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker. When it comes to investment, passive income, call me. And in this community, we make money moves only. I bring to you the wealth of knowledge and experience I have gathered advising the top 1% on their portfolio. I am giving you all of that for free. Just one request. Could you please support this ministry by liking this video? Yeah, a thumbs up. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. Have you done that? I'm so glad you're part of this community. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button. I promise you are going to love it here. Our comment section is vibes. The money moves that happen here, mind-blowing. So hit that subscribe button right away. Welcome to the community. The first investment you can make with 100,000 naira is FGN Savings Bond. What is FGN Savings Bond? This is like an investment initiative by the government. In fact, with as little as 5,000 naira, you can do it. If you now put 100k inside, oh, my enjoyment go finish you, right? So with FGN Savings Bond, it happens once every month. In fact, I did a recent video on the one for this month, because on this channel, whenever the new one comes up, I notify us. So if you are not yet a member of this channel, just hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any investment opportunity. The beautiful thing about this is it is a great way to earn passive income, because with FGN Savings Bond, you invest once and that's your investment. You can do 2 years or 3 years, but it will be paying you interest 4 times in a year, right? So interest are paid quarterly. Let's assume that you invest 100k and your interest is like 20,000. That means that 20,000, they will divide it into 4. First quarter you get 5k, second quarter you get 5k, just like that. And it will happen like that for the first year, second year, third year. At the end of the tenure, you get back your capital. With investment, you can eat your cake and have it again. And that is the beautiful thing here. And it is with the Nigerian government, so the risk level is low. See, people cannot see your 100,000 and run away because of it now, right? So this is a great investment, especially people looking for passive income. I have one of my clients, she's schooling abroad. She does this, what she needs to do, what she uses it for. She knows that each month is like paying herself salary. She doesn't even use it for herself. Mostly she uses it to tackle some of the bills, her siblings that are billing her here. So as the income is going in, she's using it to settle them, right? So this is an amazing investment for you. How do you key in? So like I said before, each month the subscription form comes out. The last video I did, I put the subscription link for you to follow, because wherever you are, you don't need to be in Nigeria. You can, so why you fill the form, but you need a broker account. I have done a video before on a brokerage account. All you have to do is to download one of their app. Personally, I use AfriInvestor 2.0. So once you download AfriInvestor 2.0 and sign up on it, AfriInvest automatically becomes your broker, right? So whenever the offer is out, they even used to send email with the link. You follow the link, you fill up the subscription form, you make your payment to your brokerage account, and that is that. So yeah, if you're looking for a low-risk investment that will pay you quarterly, FGN Savings Bond is for you. Like I said, just be on the lookout on this channel, put the notification bell on so that whenever it comes out every month, I notify you. Oh, before I forget, that if you're not sure, let's say you have a particular amount you want to invest, 1 million, 5 million, 20,000 naira. You want to know how much interest it can pay you. I know on the past video I have done on this, I'm going to leave it in the description. I shared my screen, I showed you the calculator. There's a calculator we use. All you have to do is just insert the amount you want to invest, and then you see what it's going to be. But it's so easy to calculate. If the interest rate is like 10%, oh, right now the interest rate is really very high. I think the last one paid as high as 18%. I remember when I joined investment banking, at times you can get like 7%, 5%, but now it's really attractive, right? So all you just have to do is 18% of your amount, because it's like a full year. You check it, divide it into 4. That is what you'll be getting. The second investment you can make with 100,000 naira is Treasury Bill. Treasury Bill is like you lending money to the government, but on the short term. The previous one, I say you can do for 2 years or 3 years. With Treasury Bill, it has to be less than 1 year. You can do 3 months, you can do 6 months, you can do 7 months, right? The tenor has to be less than 1 year. And the interest rate right right now is also very attractive. In fact, you can earn as high as 20% or even more, right? So with Treasury bills, there are two ways you can go about it. Number one, if for those of you, the dogus here that have up to 50 million, right? So with 50 million, you can invest in the primary market. That is, you are buying direct from the government. You can just reach out to any of your bank. Most commercial banks run this. But if you have less than 50 million, if you have 100,000 naira and above, now all you have to do is go through your brokerage. And if you have AfriInvestor 2.0 app, on the app you can just buy it seamlessly from the platform, right? On my previous video, I shared the screen. I showed you how to do it step by step. I'm going to link it on the description as well. Listen, on this channel, we dey talk, I dey show you. I'm not one of those people that will just tell you go and do this and I don't tell you how. No, and that's the interesting thing about being an investment banker, because these are things we do for our clients day on day, right? So I've done a tutorial video step by step. It's just, if I'm repeating it here now, it will be me repeating myself, but just go to the description, follow the Treasury Bill video and see how you can do it with your AfriInvestor app. And like I tell you, once you download the AfriInvestor from Play Store, Google Play, Apple Store, sign up, automatically they become your broker. So yeah, for Treasury Bill, when you invest, it's in bulk. Unlike savings bond where they will split it, no, they're not splitting anything. If you invest 100k and they tell you your interest is 15,000, that means at the end of the tenure you will get 115,000. Money you didn't work for. Okay, basically your money works for you, right? That's how Treasury Bill works. And actually, there's an interesting part. You could get the money ahead up front. So you can decide to invest 100,000 today, and you want the interest paid today. That 15k, you want to receive it today, you can do that perfectly. All you have to do is to let them know that you are taking your interest up front. So you just leave the 100k with them, take your 15,000 naira and go away. At the end of the tenure, you come back for your invested capital. So yeah, why not? Go get AfriInvestor or reach out to your broker if you already have one. The third investment you can make with 100,000 naira is on a fintech platform. So we have so many fintech platforms here in Nigeria. We have Optimus, we have Piggyvest, we have Cowrywise. There's so many of them. In fact, God, Jennifer, you don't do plenty things on this community. So I have a video where I did a comparison, like more like a review of the top 7 fintech platforms you can use to save and invest here in Nigeria. I'll also link it in the description. See, if you're on a money journey and you're in this community, you will have everything you need. Tell your people to pull up, okay? So yeah, any of these fintech platforms, their rates are really competitive. Personally, I use Optimus by AfriInvest, and right now on Optimus, you can get as high as 20%. So what it means is that money you're leaving in the bank, push it to your Optimus account. So when you create account on Optimus, right, you will get a dedicated bank account. I think it used to be a Wema bank. So when you get this, send money to it, okay, and automatically it will reflect on your Optimus account. Now on Optimus, there are different ways that you can save. There's the one of lock. You can lock the funds for like 1 year, 6 months, 3 months. Each one has its own interest rate. The longer you lock it, the more interest rates you're going to get, right? So when you lock it, it's just gonna relax. At the end of the tenure you choose, you come back, pick your money and your interest. Or if you leave it in Flex, that's also interesting. I think Flex right now is like 13% as at the time of this video, right? So you don't have to do anything. This is the one that is so easy to do. As you're even watching this video, you can be downloading the app, Optimus by AfriInvest. In fact, I'll link the download link so that, because I think there's so many Optimus on the Play Store, I'll leave the correct download link on the description. Download it, sign up. As simple as that. When you get your dedicated bank account, move money to it. In less than 5 minutes, you are done. And the money will start earning interest for you. Passive income. In fact, some months like this, when they pay, because every month they would add your interest, it compounds monthly. There's sometimes I can get as high as 60,000, 50,000, 100,000, depending on the amount you have there. And this is money that could be in my bank idle, but now you are earning an interest on top of it, right? So yeah, I think someone has also asked me to do a tutorial video on Optimus. I think the one I did in the past was on stock, how to buy stock on on Optimus, but I'm going to do another one to show you the different things you can do on Optimus, the mutual fund, the dollar savings, the naira savings, all of it. I'm going to do that. But for the purpose of this video, just know that you can save on Optimus app and earn as high as 20%. Even the same with Piggyvest. I think Piggyvest you can earn more than 12%. Many of them, just pick the one you trust. There are so many of them. Just take the one you have confidence in. Like Optimus now is owned by AfriInvest, who is one of the best investment banks here in Nigeria. I'm an investment banker. Typically, I usually more comfortable with platforms that are backed by investment bank, right? So that is another way you could earn passive income investing here in Nigeria with as little as 100,000. In fact, it's Optimus 1,000 you can put 5,000 you can put there. Okay. The fourth investment you can do with 100,000 is money market mutual fund. Please, could you like the video if you've not? And if you've liked it already, thank you so much. You are the reason why we are here. The channel is growing. Oh my God, we are almost at 10,000. If not like more, I don't know when this video is going to go live. But at the time of this recording, we are like 9,000 something. The channel is blowing up, and I know I got serious here. Is it like 1 month ago? Thank you so much to everyone that's been a part of this community. It's really encouraging, like to see that young people like I are really interested in finance. A lot of people don't care about these things, but here you are, financial person like you. Thank you for being here. And then talking of money market, that is the number 4 investment you can do. Money market is a type of mutual fund, right? So when I say mutual fund, it's like people coming together. Here in this our financial community now, we can decide, okay, Jenny, I have 100K, you have 20K, somebody has 5 million, someone have 10 million. We can come together, put the money together, give it to asset managers. Okay, handle this money for us. So with that money, they will take it. Some can go and invest in stock. So can go invest in like fixed income instrument like Treasury Bills, commercial papers. So money markets is the ones that invest in money market instruments like Treasury Bills. And you know Treasury Bill is a low risk investment. Why a lot of people love money market mutual fund is because with money market mutual fund, your capital can never go below, right? Other mutual fund like equity mutual fund that invest in stock, you know stock market moves up and down, but with Treasury Bill, it's like you take your money, you invest, you come back and take your money. It can never go below it, right? The only thing that the interest rates will just be climbing. I think right now it's actually very attractive. I know that Stanbic money market right now is more than 20%, right? On Optimus, the money market fund there is Plutus, APF. That one should be at about 18% or thereabouts right now. So by the virtue of you just moving your money, going to a platform, there are so many platforms you can do mutual fund. There is the Optimus, of course, there is Cowrywise. You can even reach out to your bank. Stanbic has. So with Optimus, if you use Optimus already, you can just go and check APF. That is money market mutual fund. In fact, minimum is 5,000. You know, I'm even saying 100,000. But with 100,000, you can invest comfortably and be getting your income. So I think they pay every quarterly. They will accrue the interest and pay back to you. And you can terminate anytime you want. Any day you decide you need your money back, you just go and liquidate it immediately. It doesn't take time. So yes, please, your money is better invested in money market mutual fund than that your bank you've left it idle for so long. And the 5th investment you can do is investing in ETFs, right? So I know you've probably heard about investing in stock, maybe Nigerian stock like the bank, Zenith, MTN, ETF. Okay, but talking about ETF, let me say the truth. I actually prefer US ETFs to Nigerian ETFs. I'll not lie, because here in Nigeria, I'm not really sure what the ETFs performance has been like. It's costly, and I'm not really sure. I shouldn't be saying this because I'm a chartered stockbroker here in Nigeria. But on this community, I don't hide anything from you. Personally, me, I don't have any ETF in the Nigerian market. Most of my ETF are, in US market, like the VOO, VGT. So what is ETF? ETF is a basket of different stock. You know the way you can invest in individual company. Maybe let's say you want to invest in Apple, Amazon, Facebook, right? Instead of investing in individual stock, you can invest combined, right? Let me illustrate with one of the top ETFs, VOO. So VOO is an ETF that tracks the top 500 companies in the US, right? So if you invest in VOO, that means you're getting a tiny stake of all those top companies. Don't get confused, okay? I'm here to simplify it. So let me also break it down further. Let's use small chops, for example. So small chops is made of puff, the king of small chops, maybe beef, samosa, all of those, right? I can decide to just eat puff and go and sleep, or I can eat samosa and go and sleep, or I can decide that no, I want a bit of everything. Can you mix it together? And that is a small chop. So I'm eating here, small puff, small this, small that, right? That is like ETF. Instead of just buying Apple and go, buy Tesla and go, you can decide to like all of them combined. The beautiful thing with ETF is that the risk level is low, right? Because it's hard for all those 500 companies, talking of VOO, we go down the same time. No, highest, if one messes up, move away now, another one will replace it, right? That is the beautiful thing about investing in ETFs. So how do you invest in ETF? I use any platform you use to invest in stock. I have different videos on how to invest in stock here on this channel. I will also link it in the description. So any platform you can invest in stock, you can also invest in ETF. It's the same way it works. Go there, search for so some of the top ETFs you can check. We can search for VOO. Last year, VOO returned more than 20%. There is VGT, there is information technology, technology. VGT is the companies that ETF that invest in information technology companies. There is VTI. VTI invests in all of them, like it tracks all of them, right? So that is ETF for you. So any platform you use for stock, just go. Don't search for ETF or you will not see anything. So instead of just searching ETF, just search VOO. VGT, search the particular ETF you want, and trust me, this is an interesting way your money could make money for you, because although it's low risk, some can return more than 20%. Average is like 10-12%, but a lot of years they do way more than that. And there you have it, my money buddy, the 5 investments you can do with 100,000. What I need you to do now, please, this is not the channel where we listen and we go. No! We listen to these videos, we watch it, and we practice. If you're ready to start practicing immediately, go on the description. I'm going to list different videos. Like if there's any particular one I mentioned now, I have dedicated video for it. So check the description. If you want to Treasury Bill, there's a video on Treasury Bill. That's where I shared my screen and show you. Click here, click here. There's one on Savings Bond. Next month, when the Savings Bond is available, I'm going to notify you. So subscribe to the channel if you've not, so you don't miss it. Turn on the notification channel because, Jennifer, notification button, what did they call it? Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss it. Even the one for stock and ETF, I'm going to link it in the description. So go and watch it right away so that you get better detailed understanding. Download the apps you need to download. I'm going to link Optimus on the description. Download the one you need to download, because on this channel, you see this bag, we must secure it.